Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Rocketbook Accessories is probably one of the most essential upgrades for anyone looking to maximize their reusable notebook experience, transforming a simple writing tool into a powerhouse of digital organization and endless creativity, ensuring every note, sketch, or idea can be effortlessly captured, digitized, and reused without ever wasting a single sheet of paper again. Number 5. KAITIAKI Folio Cover for Rocketbook and A5 Notebooks. Introducing the KAITIAKI Folio Cover, designed to streamline your daily essentials. It perfectly fits executive-size smart reusable notebooks and other A5 planners. Please note, this package includes the cover only. Say goodbye to clutter with its incredible storage solutions. This cover features a clear zipper pouch, a pen holder, multiple card slots, and various pockets. Keep all your important items neatly together. Experience effortless writing with its lay-flat design. When your notebook is inserted, it opens completely flat, allowing comfortable use of both pages. This makes it ideal for creatives and professionals alike. Crafted with a Scandinavian touch, this cover is made from recycled, denim-like fabric. It's not only sturdy and water-resistant but also durable and pleasant to touch. Embrace sustainability without compromising on quality. Whether you're a student, a creative, or a business professional, this cover is made to enhance your productivity. We value your feedback and continuously strive to improve its quality and design. What we like. This cover offers extensive organization with multiple pockets and a clear zipper pouch. Its lay-flat design ensures comfortable writing on both pages. If you need a comprehensive, eco-friendly organizer that keeps all your essentials in one place, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points without source content. Number 4. HANKU Erasable Highlighters Dual Tip 10 Pack. These aren't just for highlighting. Use the chisel tip for key points and the white tip to effortlessly correct any errors. You can even get creative by drawing patterns or discovering magic effects with reverse use. No need to worry about coloring outside the lines. Simply flip them over to erase any mistakes, allowing for stress-free coloring and unleashing your boundless creativity. They feature high-quality, non-toxic, and odor-free ink. Enjoy smooth writing that dries fast, ensuring no bleeding or smearing on your pages. This pack offers 10 vibrant and rich colors. They provide a diverse palette, perfect for creating wonderful works of art and adding life to your projects. These markers are incredibly versatile, great for highlighting, coloring, drawing, and journaling. Unleash your creativity with them, or give them as a perfect gift. Designed with a transparent cap and a round body featuring a pearl luster, they are comfortable to hold. Their beautiful appearance is also pleasant to the eye. What we like. These highlighters feature a unique dual-tip design, allowing you to highlight and erase mistakes effortlessly. The high-quality ink ensures smooth writing without bleeding or smearing. If you're looking for versatile highlighters that allow for error-free highlighting and creative drawing, these are perfect for you. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Number 3. Smart Labels QR Code Stickers with AI App. Say goodbye to clutter with this seamless storage system. It offers an easy-to-use color-coding system to enhance your storage management. Item retrieval becomes quick and hassle-free. Easily manage all your labels from your mobile device. Simply take a photo of items, and the app will save you time by scanning, separating, and adding descriptions. No more typing details by hand. Save time with its powerful search tool, designed to help you quickly find previously stored items. This system improves efficiency and minimizes time searching through storage. Every item is just a scan away. You can start organizing for free. Scan an unlimited number of labels, images, and descriptions for life without any subscription. This version is ideal for beginners, home projects, and small inventory. Upgrade to the optional Pro plan for enhanced features. It unlocks exportable PDFs and CSV spreadsheets of your labels and items. This professional version is great for small business owners and detailed inventory projects. What we like. This system revolutionizes organization with AI photo analysis that auto-creates item descriptions, eliminating manual typing. It uses color-coded QR codes for quick and hassle-free item retrieval. If you want a smart, efficient, and hands-free way to track your storage and inventory, this solution is incredibly convenient. What people say. Number 2. Rocketbook Beacons Reusable Whiteboard Cloud System. Introducing the Rocketbook Beacons, a revolutionary way to upgrade your standard whiteboard. These innovative digitizer stickers turn any surface into a smart, connected workspace. With just 4 reusable beacons, you can convert your ordinary whiteboard into a powerful smart board. Effortlessly capture and digitize your notes. Thanks to micro-suction technology, these are incredibly portable, washable, and endlessly reusable. Take them anywhere and use them again and again. Simply download the free Rocketbook app to connect and organize your notes. It integrates seamlessly with popular cloud services, keeping your ideas accessible. Collaborate with your team in real time using the innovative Snapcast mode. Share your whiteboard content instantly, no matter where you are. Each pack includes one set of 4 of these, a convenient carrying case, and easy-to-use instructions. Get started digitizing your ideas today. What we like. These beacons transform any standard whiteboard into a smart board, allowing you to digitize and upload notes to the cloud. They feature micro-suction technology, making them portable and endlessly reusable. If you frequently use whiteboards for brainstorming and need to easily share your ideas digitally with a team, these are an essential tool. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Cannot extract points without original content. Number 1. Luxury Folio Cover for Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebooks. Elevate your smart note-taking experience with this Executive A4 notebook cover. It's perfectly designed for various Rocketbook models and other smart reusable notebooks, keeping your essentials neatly organized. Unleash your potential with its integrated Portfolio organizer, fitting your 8.5 by 11 notebook perfectly. You can seamlessly store pens, business cards, your phone, tablet, and other essentials. This versatile item offers flexibility for both work and study. More than just a cover, this sleek professional portfolio doubles as a portfolio binder. It helps you stay organized, polished, and ready for any occasion, whether it's work, study, or travel. This multifunctional leather folio is both sleek and durable, perfect for professionals who value style and function. It elevates your look while keeping your essentials organized. Designed for modern productivity, this professional notebook portfolio blends elegance and durability. It's a smart choice for meetings, planning, or note-taking, perfect for work or study. What we like. This Executive A4 folio cover is designed to maximize productivity, fitting larger notebooks and doubling as a professional portfolio. It offers multiple pockets and sections to keep all your essentials neatly organized. If you are a professional seeking a sleek, durable, and comprehensive organizer for your letter-sized smart notebook, this luxurious option is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.